Hi, I'm Bob Ross. Welcome to another episode of The Joy of Painting. If this is your first time with us today, allow me to extend a personal invitation to grab your paints, your brushes, and your cans and paint along with us today. We're going to run the names of the colors across the bottom of the screen there so you know what we're going to use, and you can grab along, grab a wall, grab a canvas, and let's get started. Hey, welcome back. All right, so the first thing we're going to do today is we're going to work on this sky back here. We're going to work back to front. See, that way we kind of work the front of the painting at the very end. So we're going to grab some cans today. We're going to grab a little bit of this Montana 94, a little Violettal Ravel, a little Blood Red. We're also going to use some Apricot here by Double A Paint, and we're also going to use some more Montana 94, some Sulphur Yellow. All right, grab some cans and let's get going. Alright, next up guys, we're going to paint this mountain range in the background after we've done our sky, okay? We're going to use a couple different things. We've got a couple flat brushes here that we're going to use, and we're also going to use some of these palette knives here to get some of this really cool texture in the mountain. So, we've got a few colors. We've got black, we've got white, we've got some grays and some blues. So, grab your paints and paint along with us. Guys, welcome back. We've been working hard on this painting and we're getting close to the end, but there's one thing missing, I think, still. I just don't feel like any painting's complete without some happy little trees. So why don't you grab some green paint and come along and paint with us.
Sounds good.
Well, folks, we've just about wrapped up this painting. I'd like to thank you for joining us for another episode of The Joy of Painting. Until then, I'd like to wish you happy painting. God bless, my friends.